Everyone, so guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. Once again, I'm here for talking to you in English. And let me tell you one thing, that please do not skip even single second of this video, because every minute and every second will be very important, will be very useful in this video, because I'm gonna share something which is really very important to know all of us. Because I have seen so many learners, they are in this dilemma that they're just thinking that how to start learning English language, how to start speaking. Means this kind of confusion they have in their mind. They want to learn English language, but they do not know that how to start, and they are not finding the ways of learning English language. So I have brought something new, and guys, in this video I will share my 1 week experience, because in these 1 week I have done something, and from that things I got to learn these things that I'm gonna share with all of you. So make sure that you are gonna watch this video until it, because from this video you will know that if you are in this dilemma that how to start, if you are thinking that how can you learn English language easily while sitting at home, or if you think that how to start learning English language, which whatever kind of question, if you have like this, whatever type of question you have, so please watch this video completely, because from this video I'm sure most of the learner, they are going to find their ways after watching this video. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So guys, there is only one question. That question I have been asked so many times, that ma'am, please tell us how to start learning English language. How can we learn English language easily at home? And guys, I go to school. So in that school, students ask me that, ma'am, please tell us how to do practice at home, how to start speaking. I know, we know that you have taught us all grammar, but how to start? We speak English language with you when we are in the school, but after going from school, what can we do so that we could do our speaking practice as we want to do, as much as we can do? How to do, and with whom we have to do, with whom we can do our speaking practice? So guys, there is only one answer that I would like to share with all of you. And in this 1 week I started something, I have done something. And I was not, before this 1 week I was not aware that which is my skill, which is my ability, how to do, how to share my thoughts. Something was bothering me, and I wrote everything whatever was bothering me, and after finally I have posted one things. I hope that you must have read that poster. If you haven't read, so please go and read that, because that is especially for girls. I have written these all things, I have written everything whatever I was feeling. So please read that things once, okay? And in that post I have written everything. So after that I'm getting response from that poster. So I got to know that yes, this is something that I need to do in my life. And I was, before that I was not able to find my ability, I was not able to find my skill, that where I will have to go. English, it is my English, like it is my skill to speak an English language, or English, I really want to go ahead of this English language, or I want to do something other. I was confused between these two things, that what should I do, what can I do? And I was focusing on English, even I am focusing, but I was somewhere in my mind, something was bothering me, that you will have to do other work. English, yes, you will do, but it is not your first skills, it is not your first ability. Your ability is something different, so work on that. And when I started working, when I started posting on my thoughts on my YouTube channel, I started getting response of that. So I got path where I need to go. Okay. So from these things you have to understand that if you really want to learn this language, if you really want to improve your speaking skill, and if you are thinking that how to start, so please delete this type of question from your mind forever. delete these things, because I have done these things. I was just thinking that what should I do, what should I do, what can I do for my life, for my dreams. I really did not know that what was my dream that time. I was thinking about so many things, that this is my dream, this is I wanted to achieve everything. But not guys, this is not your real dreams. Real dreams may be one, and that will be something that you will see on everyone's face. I have something and I know about it, I must go on that field. Okay, so for knowing that, if you want to learn this language, if you want to improve yourself, improve your communication skills, so start from today onwards, start from right now. Do not wait for the right time, because until you eat your food, how will you know the taste of that food? जब तक आप स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे अपने काम को करना, तो आप आगे कैसे, आपको रास्ता कैसे दिखेगा? जब तक आप खाना को नहीं खाओगे तो उसमें टेस्ट कैसे पता चलेगा आपको? तो लाइक वाइज, इफ़ यू वांट टू नो दैट हाउ टू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, सो स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. There is only one solution of this your confusion. Start speaking. Why are you waiting for the right time? Why are you wasting your time to think about this kind of questions, that how to start? Your mind does not have this kind of questions. It is very simple things, okay? And whatever, wherever you are feeling confusion, so think about that and start doing that things. If something is bothering you, so why does these things happen to me, and what am I learning from this? Think about it and write down everything, whatever is bothering you. For learning this language, write down everything and try to learn from this kind of things. And after that, start. Wherever you are feeling nervous, wherever you are feeling not feeling confident, so start doing that work. Okay, in English language we have to face our partner problem, and after that, second problem may be not having confidence, third problem may be not having ability to speak in English language, not having environment. It may be any kind of issues that can be created by any one of this English language learner. And I really believe that if we are not able to do anything, so we are not putting our efforts on that, we are not putting our 100% on that. That is why we are feeling very kind of that is why we are feeling very not able to feel confidence. We are That is why we are feeling ourselves not comfortable on that. It is my experience, okay? And I'm in this age of 23. In this age I have realized, so please do not take these things very granted. It is very heavy things, it is very heavy words. If you do not believe on this, so how will you do what will you do? If you do not believe on my word, so you can contact, you can come here, you can come at my house, you can see the environment of my house. How can I manage these things? How do I manage? I know about it very well. And guys, there is one thing that I would like to share, that if you if your dream is bothering you, if you want to do something, so please start doing that work. Please, please, please do not wait for the right time. Because if you wait for the right time, you will waste your time. And after that, you will get only one thing, that is regret. Regression you will get after that. So if you don't want to regret, so start from today onwards. Because I know, I believe, because I feel that I have wasted my time. I now, right now, I know that what I have to do. If I got to know these things earlier, if I got to know these things earlier, so today I would be doing this kind of work. What I right now I want to do. What right now, yes, I want to do. So this was my experience, and I hope that you got something from this video. And in the last of this video, I just want to say that, guys, if you want to do something, whatever it may be, anything, your first priority must be your work. Whatever you like to do that work with full of your hearts. Just do give your 100% to that work. And if you start getting result from your work, so just know that this is your work, that you have to keep these things continue. Okay, and after doing your work, if you feel happy that yes, I have done something, so just think and feel that this is your work, this is your work. Okay, so I'm feeling that I have shared my all experience that I had for today. So guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. अपनी जो है सपोर्ट बनाए रखिएगा, और आई रियली नीड योर सपोर्ट, बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग विदाउट योर सपोर्ट, बिकॉज योर सपोर्ट इज़ माई मोटिवेशन. And guys, please share these things as much as you can do, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.